Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. We're on the way over here to check up on a drainage installation job that we got contracted out to do. Come on with us, take a look together.
So I'm out here on the job site here in Crofton on the drainage install. Let's take a look. Take a look and see what we got going on here today. Boys are at lunch. I'm out here taking a look at this job. Started in the backyard, now they're coming around to the side of the house. Looking good, everything they've got in. We've got a collection box right here, taped over to keep the dirt out during construction. Looks like they got good fall on it. Taking it out to the road here. Looking good. See, the boys are back from lunch now, and we're back on this drainage job here on Monday afternoon. But boys are getting this connected, level shot on it, transit shot on it, making sure we got good fall, and we can get this completed today and wrapped up for the client. This will eliminate the water that's laying in their backyard that we brought out to the front yard and out to the street, which will go into the storm drain eventually here. So we're getting her done. Out here today, checking up on the job the guys did yesterday. Job cleaned up good, didn't it?
Sure.
Looking pretty good. You guys gonna seed it up?
Yeah.
Looking good, looking good. Nice drainage exit right here. Water can go out without freezing on the sidewalk. And we got a piece here coming off the front drain here. We need to touch this up right here, Nordy. And we got a little bit out back. Come spring, this will be nice and tight. Water will be eliminated out of the backyard, and this will be looking nice. Already does look good. We were just finishing up here today in a job we started yesterday. It's a drainage job here in Crofton, and this turned out really nice. As you can see, not much disturbance from what we had yesterday. All pulled apart to get all the pipe in the ground. Now all the pipe and the fittings, and we got it draining it out properly. The exit's right here, so it won't freeze on the sidewalk, but we got the water from the backyard to the front, and we are good to go. On to the next job.